Hi guys. Hope everything's working okay. But it's been a while. I have not done a concept video in a while actually. So here it is. I'm making it. I've just been working on the game, not really uploading. But here it is. J2 Piggy Bundle Concepts. There's a main menu now. You can either join somebody's server or join your own. I'm gonna just join my own. It takes a little bit. Oh. Oh, okay, it worked. So here it is. I still haven't done the play button, but yep, here's so far. There's the setting UI now. First thing is for the base plate. So you can resize it. Like I can do 4 instead of 3 now. It's a little bugged with but yeah. It kind of looks like an offset. You can do 1. Just makes it where the base plate's 1 block, so it's easier time. Or you can make it 21. I say 21 because it evens out the thing, so it's not all messed up. So yeah. Currently the limit is 50, but I'll probably make it 51 so you can fix this stupid thing. So I'm gonna set it to like, hold on, I just want to test. Okay, yeah. Adding a 1 to it just fixes it. But yeah. So I gotta fix this UI up a bit. But decoration. There's been some new decorations I added. There's obviously the trash can. I already know that one. Christmas tree. I added this for Christmas. I did update the way I can make decorations, so that's why I kind of just added a bunch. Because not a bunch, but I was warm. Oil storage. This is from the decay chapter. You can recolor the thing. Next is the oil rig from the refinery chapter. TV stand. I'm pretty sure this is from the Aldi's map. And yeah, that's really all for decorations. Because okay, so that's a problem. The move tool doesn't really work. I just realized that. So I'll work on fixing that. But we got the bomb block. Here's all the decorations. Items. Well, no, events. So I want to show you with the piggy. I done some stuff with the piggy stuff. So this button was gonna be for play, but I didn't get it working. Change bot skin. So I updated the bots and yeah, but this was just a test for like something else. But let's just do normal piggy, and you can see how long it takes to spawn in. So there's no actual visual timer yet, but I'll work on something like that hopefully. So it'll take like 2 seconds. Peggy spawns in. She kills you. Boom. Okay. But yeah, you can do different, just like last time. Play. And a new skin. But that's really all for bots, really. So speed block, nothing new on that. Trampoline block has been updated. So jump height. So the jump height is how high you go. The default is 100. The max is 1,000. So I'm gonna just move that in, and we should be able to go flying. Now you may notice that I'm not doing this AI voice anymore for my videos, and it's just because I feel a little lazy to do it. I just realized there's no slab. I will add the slab. But anyways, door. We got the door. It's just a door. Nothing really else. Now there will be some. This is for just like testing. So we got the sound block. Just from Piggy. That was also for testing. Nope. Also for testing. Picture. Also for testing. It's just so this type of setting. And health block. This is new. So you can either add or subtract health. And there's an amount. So let me just come here. I'll do a green neon block and a red neon block. So then this will be for adding one. And this will be for subtracting one. So if we play, we subtract health, and then this adds health. So boom. That's pretty much all for that. Alright, green. I'll get past these quick. Okay, so the wrench does have a new setting. So you can choose if it's lasers or a door. So I'll make this one door and this one lasers. Now items, you need your items. And if I play, so I did do something. Oh yeah, see, you can see how it's done, and you can die. But it doesn't have the camera animation. That was a little lazy. But we got the green key. Can't use it on red. Use it. Boom. But the wrench. Boom. Easy ones to fly past. But since I didn't really wanna keep making different doors, I made this color lock door. Shout out to Curly Fry Studios for the idea. He did this in his concept games. If you haven't played it, go play it. But he did something similar. Well, he did something pretty much exactly like, which I got the idea from. So yeah, item and color key. So since you colored the door for the lock color, this is what you color. So now let's just make like a bunch of, oops. Let's make like a red and a green. Actually, let's do something we don't have a color of. Items. So if we play, we can't do that. Can't do that, but we can do this one. Can't do that. Can't do this one. And yeah. Boom. That's... Oh, I think we're almost done. Yep. Last event. Items. ticket. So this is just from the RV Battles map. I just wanted to make it because I was bored. But yeah, this is all events. Here, there is some owners. You can see that I was working on a safe, but I couldn't get it. Because if you look into here, it just doesn't spawn. So, I'll try to get saves working so I can do concepts. But this, I made this just to test the brand new system thing. And then we got Among Us. We got the bomb block. That's not a release. This was released, but then it like broke stuff when it exploded. I could show you, but it'll be broken. Yeah, that's why there's a bomb decoration. Oh, it's because it's not an event. Yeah. I think it's just bugged. But yeah, that's really all. Anyways, that's all for today's video. Bye.